In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Hootsuite. This process is actually quite straightforward and takes only a few minutes to complete. By the end of this tutorial, you'll find that adding a bit of emphasis to your social media posts can be both quick and effective, enhancing the way your content stands out and grabs attention. Let's begin by opening a web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. Once your browser is ready, head over to your search bar and type in Bold Text Generator or Unicode Text Generator. This will bring up several options. Essentially, you are looking for a tool that can take regular text and convert it into different styles of Unicode, including bold. Once you've selected a generator from your search results, you should see a text input field on their web page. Here, you can either type the text you want to make bold, or, if you already have something written elsewhere, simply copy and paste it into this field. This step is critical because this is where the transformation of your text from standard to bold begins. After entering your text, the generator should instantly provide you with various stylistic variations. Navigate through these options until you spot the bold version of your text. It's usually quite evident and stands out from the rest. Once you've located the bold text, you'll want to highlight it, then copy it to your clipboard. Now that you have your bold text ready to go, it's time to switch gears and head over to Hootsuite. So, open a new tab in your browser and type in the URL for Hootsuite. As the page loads, make sure you are taken to the login screen if not logged in already. Enter your login credentials and sign in to access your Hootsuite dashboard. With the dashboard in front of you, the next step is to create a new post. Look for the Create button on the Hootsuite interface. Clicking this will open up the post entry box where you draft your social media updates. This is where the fun begins. Click inside the post entry box and paste the bold text you copied earlier. See how the bold styling is preserved in Hootsuite? It's a simple yet effective way to bring some dynamic flair to your social media post. Once you are satisfied with your post, review it to ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, publishing your post is the last step. Double-check that your message, complete with that standout bold text, is just the way you want it. Then hit the Publish button. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to effectively use a bold text generator to enhance your Hootsuite posts, making your social media presence that much more impactful.